My dad used it to haul water. After we didn't need it anymore, we decided to go ahead and start restoring it. I came down and talked to Mark. Our kids played sports together, and we just started working on it. It took about 6 years to get where it's at, and it still has a lot of work to do, but it's a lot of fun to run. We bought it in 1980. My dad was the second owner, and then he passed it down to me, and I'm the third owner. I'll pass it down to my son, so he'll be the fourth owner. So many people tell me, oh, my grandpa had a truck just like that. My great-grandpa had a truck too. And people just want to talk about it. It's so easy for them. And they'll tell you their whole life stories behind that truck. That's probably the most fun. Try to do it with someone that you know. It always helps. It's more fun to do it with someone as a partner, like your dad or something like that.